What's up, ladies and gentlemen? You're here with the number one streamer, number one gold and silver investor, number one fitness influencer, all wrapped into one amazing package. Today, the price of gold is skyrocketing. So, we're going to talk about that. I'm just going to wait for a few people to join up, guys. So, thanks for being here with us. And I have to go to work, so I'm just trying to make this about a half-hour stream. No more and no less. Exactly a half-hour stream. So let's see if we can do it, guys, and I'll still have enough time to brush my teeth before I go to work. So this is going to be perfectly timed, amazing stream. And the stock market's down today. And I got a new thumbnail. We got a lot of good stuff, guys. I got a new package. I got to show you what's in the package. This is going to be a good one. We're waiting for some people to join up, though. I got to get a few more people in the room. All right. I always got to represent Shiba Inu, too. Shiba Army. I made a new thumbnail, so here it is. I'm going to put the thumbnail on this one. I think it's a nice thumbnail because I put these Shiba Inu coins mixed in with the silver. That's what I always say. Shiba Inu and silver are both going to do amazing. And I've been dead on right now with silver. So, and I will be dead on with Shiba Inu too. It just takes longer. All right? You look like a G. Yeah. Thank you, bro. That's what I'm going for here. I'm trying to look like a G. G unit. 9-inch nail shirt with the diamonds and the gold. Solid gold. Hell yeah, I'm a G, bro. You are too. Don't let anyone tell you different. So guys, what Pokemon card did I buy today? I'll tell you. I spent over $100 on that one. Whatever's in there, I'm going to show you. I'm pretty sure this is the one. It's the good one that I got. This is going to be my best Pokemon card that I own. I'm an investor. Okay? I invest in Pokemon. So just stick around. Let's at least try to get up to 30 people, and then I'll open it up. Okay? Very expensive Pokemon card. Not as expensive as Jake Paul, but nevertheless, it's a good investment, and I think I'm going to at least triple my money on it. I don't buy a Pokemon card unless I think I can triple my money. Same thing with gold bullion. When I bought gold for $2,000, I knew I was going to triple my money. When I bought gold for $300 back in 1999, I knew I was going to 3 times my money, and I did. So now I'm investing into Pokemon cards, and I'm going to 3x my returns. All right? So let's take some essential amino acids. I'm learning from my personal training course that essential amino acids can turn on the anabolic switch, the growth machinery, if you will, and send signals to the body that make it easier to add muscle. But I'll do a more detailed video of branched chain amino acids later. I want to do a nice video of some science regarding these supplements and how we can use supplements to build more muscle. So, something? Get some Phenibut. It's not helping. Melatonin too. Oh yeah, you're the guy that said you wanted the melatonin. Hit that subscribe button, guys. get a few more people in here. You are bald. No, I'm not. I got a full head of hair, bro. I got a full head. Okay, I'm bald. But I got a good egg-shaped head. Perfectly good head. Is rat urine a good pre-workout? No, I never tried it, so I can't speak to that. I never tried it. All right, don't know. I assume that it's got to work. It's got to do something. But yes, guys, gold price today, $5,247 per ounce. So we're up $63 an ounce. But silver is where it's at. Silver's up to 93, it looks like. 93 bucks. Says hair is overrated, yeah. So take a look at the silver chart, guys. It's up $4. Look at that. Boom. I think we're going to go up again, too. So that's silver right there. You got to buy some silver. All right. Now take a look at platinum. Because platinum is doing good, too. Here's platinum. Look at these moves. Very fast, very abrupt, crazy moves. Just up, consolidate, up, consolidate, up, consolidate, up. Now we're consolidating again. Also, it looks like a bull flag. We're going to shoot up again even higher this time, all right? We're going to start going like straight up on platinum, I think. It's going to start to go straight up. This will go parabolic. All right? So, very excited. A lot of good plays today. A lot of good ways to make big money in the stock markets. Anyone who takes stock above from this guy deserves to lose their money. I don't know what a stock above is, bro. Learn how to spell first. Yeah, but thank you for making that statement. I appreciate that in front of all my viewers. Anyone who takes stock above from this guy is going to lose all their money. No, my guys have been making money, okay? I run a Patreon. I charge $10 a month. I got 9 people on there. And I told you guys about stocks on there, and they're skyrocketing. It's very simple. I've told you guys from 3 years ago, I'm going to make you rich, okay? And I intend on it. I intend on making you guys rich. I made $3 grand from Hawk Tuah. Yeah, you can get rich on Hawk Tuah. I like it. It's way down, right? It's cheap. You got to buy these things when they're cheap. So, come on, guys. Get a few more people in here and we'll open it up. Let's go. We got to get more people. Share the video. I got to see 30 people. And then we'll open her up. Show you what I bought for an investment. Haley Welch made me 1,500. Okay. All right. I could probably make you like 40 grand, but you got to join the Patreon, bro. You can't be scared. Hesitation is what's going to keep you poor when you hesitate. So gold right now, really blasting off 5,246. It'll be interesting to see what happens the rest of the day. If it keeps on shooting up, I think it might. I'm hoping we can keep on going up and then have a crazy day, crazy gold price close. So I'll show you what I'm seeing right now in the gold chart. Once we get 30 people, we're going to open this up. So this is what I see today. Right here. Boom, boom. Those two. Okay? Let's zoom out 6 months just so you can see it. This is the uptrend. See how we keep moving up? And this right here, it looks like a point of resistance. Okay? Now let's zoom in on this point. See how we're just touching that now? in order to go back up to 5,600, we have to go above that spot right there, obviously. So this is our main point of resistance, okay? We're right there. We have to go higher. See this? It's right there. That's bullshit, guys. That's bull. So we got to push up a little bit higher. And then once this line comes up a little bit, it should be able to break away. Okay? It should break away, no problem. Come on, guys. Let's get some super chats in here. You look like the guy off American History X. Yeah, I do. Shit. I look like a level 9 Chad. You look like, so bite the club. It's the tongue Pokemon card. All right, we got 23 people. We need 8 more people in here, and we're gonna open it up. Come on, guys, share the video. I got to drink my protein shake. I can't wait to open it up because it's a good freaking card. It's got an attack called Damage Swap. Does that help you what it is? Does that help you figure it out? I think it's got 90 HP and it's psychic. And one of his attacks, I think it takes 3 energies. I'm pretty sure. Come on, guys, like the video. Let's get 30 people in here. Open it up. So, gold prices are rising today due to the heightened geopolitical tensions, persistent inflation concerns. That's the main thing. Well, geopolitical because of Iran. We don't know if there's going to be a war in Iran. And then persistent inflation because look at the national debt. We're like $38 trillion in debt. Obviously, this can't keep on going. So we're going to have to print money, and that's going to make gold and silver go up. That's why gold mining stocks are the best investment right now. So it says, and strong institutional demand. This means that the banks are trying to buy up the real gold. The banks want all the gold. And even some banks in other countries are buying silver, okay? And JP Morgan might be buying silver and stacking silver, but I don't know. So key factors driving gold. Geopolitical tensions. Ongoing conflicts, particularly between Israel and Iran, have increased fears of supply disruptions in critical regions like the Strait of Hormuz. Such uncertainty drives investors toward gold as a secure store of value, boosting demand, obviously, and then that makes the price go much higher. The core CPI at 3.2, so inflation went up, has raised expectations that the Federal Reserve may hold interest rates steady rather than cut. Since gold does not yield interest, stable or lower than expected rate changes make it more attractive as a hedge against inflation. And then lots of demand from the institutions, growing demand from gold exchange traded funds and central banks has contributed to the price surge. ETFs make gold more accessible to investors, while central banks continue to purchase significant quantities to diversify resources. So yes, the banks have been buying now for about 3 or 4 years, and I see no signs of the banks stopping. I think they're just going to keep buying more gold because that's what the future is. You know, in the future, we're going to need something solid to secure the currency, to back our new currency with. You know, the dollar is losing faith. At least if we have some gold to back it, you know, it'll be better for certain people in power. The bank has my gold. Double tap the screen everywhere. Let's get the likes, guys. Yeah, dude. Thanks, Samuel. Hit that like button, guys. So, in summary, today's increase in gold prices is primarily fueled by geopolitical uncertainty, inflation, and robust demand from investors and institutions. So, there's a lot of factors driving gold, but I think the main driver is going to be war. If we get into a serious conflict with Iran, because Iran wants to enrich its uranium, and we don't want that to happen. So Trump is getting pissed, you know, at Iran because they could get a nuclear weapon. So what's Trump going to do? You know, is he going to do something? So we'll have to wait and see. We'll have to wait and see, guys. Gold is very scarce. Oh, yeah. Very scarce indeed. It's more scarce than almost all other metals except platinum, palladium, rhodium. I don't know about tungsten, but yeah. Gold's pretty rare in terms of the on the periodic table of elements. Gold's very rare. Lithium is where it's at, hence the Ukraine war. Yes, lithium. Well, lithium's going up now. It's like 160,000 a ton or whatever. I don't know, or 174K a ton or something. Lithium is skyrocketing. So I think I just bought a couple of lithium stocks, not just recently. Definitely got to load up on lithium, guys. So, do you use 9-karat gold in the USA? No. 10, 14, and 24. In the old days, long time ago, they used to make stuff out of 9-karat. Like watches, watch cases. Oh, yeah. They used to make stuff with 9K. But now, I don't think they really do. Okay? This guy has a 5-karat gold. Wow, that sucks, bro. You want to get pure. 5-karat is not really that good. That sucks, dude. Come on, guys. Let's get 30 people in here. And I'm going to open up the package. Okay? .75 carat, yeah. That's not very pure. You got to get pure. Come on, guys. Gold and silver. Let's go. Shout out to gold and silver. We're not getting a lot of views, guys. This is not good. This is not good. Maybe my viewers don't start coming on until 3 or 4. I think that might be it. Hey, I'm good, dude. 18 karat is good, yes. Not different than 10K. Sterling silver also good. Yeah, I like 925 sterling silver. The price is like, it's worth like $2.80 a gram or something. The price of sterling is going up. Come on, guys. Let's get the views up. Yeah, this is depressing. This sucks, guys. As a YouTuber with 5,000 subscribers, I got 6 people watching. But gotta keep on going. Gotta keep on trying, guys. All right. I think it's a good one. This is one of my favorite cards. Look at that, guys. That's my favorite card. Don't you like it? Don't you like it, guys? Ooh, Alakazam. That's Alakazam, bro. That's one of the better cards. That's one of the better cards of the set that was like a really nice card to pull. Not as good as a Charizard, a Venusaur, or a Blastoise, but this is one of the good cards that you want. Oh, it's got 80 hit points. But yeah, that's a sick card. But yeah. Not perfect. I can see why it's only a 9 and not a 9.5. But it's pretty good. It's pretty good shape. Pretty good. But yeah. I used to run 4 of these things, or well, maybe 3, but yeah, you would combine these with Chansey's because you can swap the damage, and Chansey can hold freaking 120 HP. So this guy's got, it's called Pokemon Power Damage Swap. As often as you like during your turn, before you attack, you may remove 1 damage counter from one of your Pokemon to another as long as you don't knock that Pokemon out. This power can't be used if Alakazam is paralyzed, because it says, as often as you like during your turn. So I can take as much damage as I want, but you have to move 1 at a time. You can take as much damage as you want and move it around to anyone on your bench. Okay? So that means you have a Chansey out front, and whenever that Chansey gets damaged, you keep taking that damage and you put it back on your other guys, and then eventually you do a scoop up. When you do a scoop up, all the damage comes off. Pick them back up into your hand, put them back down again. Okay? There's a lot of good deck ideas, though, but I used to run an Alakazam deck. And I would win. I wouldn't really win first place, but I would do pretty good. Buy gold, silver, not Pokemon. I buy gold and silver, too. Gold and Pokemon. Okay? You got to spread your money around. Okay? Don't just buy one asset. Buy multiple investments. All right, guys. But yeah, I got the Alakazam. So far I got a Alakazam and a Chansey, or a Clefairy. Alakazam and a Clefairy. So, what am I going to buy next? I don't know. Something. Gold. We'll see what happens with the metals the rest of the day. Nuclear fission stocks. Yeah, sure. What's the best one? Let me know. Let me know the best one. Tell us, what is the best nuclear stock? I'd really like to hear it. This guy sold his gold. That sucks, bro. That's the opposite. You should be buying more. You're selling when you should be buying. Which is funny to me, but that's life. Some people have to sell. Yeah. A lot of people are selling too soon. Even I will sell too soon, you know? That's what Francis Hunt said. You will sell too soon. Yeah, because this is a long freaking game. A gold bull run, we got probably about 8 more years. So you should not have sold your gold for probably another 5 to 10 years. And you just sold it now? That's insane. We got a long run ahead of us. So, do you think silver entered the next phase? Yeah, it looks that way. It looks like silver has entered the next phase because gold has broken out of its ascending triangle. So it definitely looks like we're going up to the next phase. But to be sure, I got to see gold go above 5,600. So in the coming weeks, I'm going to be watching gold. We got to go up to 5,600. That's how you know we're in the next phase. But I've been buying. So I've been buying silver. I've been buying AGQ today, the silver ETF. I bought some just today. I spent over $3,000. on it today. So you guys got to go big. You can't be chickening out. Scared money don't make money. All right? You're going to stay in the poorhouse forever if you're afraid to take chances, afraid to make mistakes. All right? Yo, what's up, Big Heavy? Good to see you here. We got 18 people in here, and I wish we had more. Do you not understand the banking system, real estate, interest, etc.? Yes, I think all of us here understand that stuff. I've been teaching about that stuff for 3 years. All right, guys, let's get this money. Let's get, who's going to give the first super chat today? What? We just got it, even though I didn't even know. I said, who's going to give the first super chat, and it automatically came in. If you ask, you shall receive. I do not know. Thanks for that, Buck, dude. Glad I went live before work. Now, I just have to eat this can of sardines, you know. But yeah, I got my Alakazam in the mail today. Check it out. Got this one today. Alakazam. It's one of my favorite cards of all time. There's a bunch of copper right there. Gold back. Check this out. That's a little copper thing. Pretty cool, huh? But yeah. Thanks, William Capone. Al Capone. I'm gonna have to call you Al Capone. Like the frickin' What happens when there is no silver for delivery for COMEX? How would markets react? I don't know. The price of silver would probably go up like it's been going up. We thought there was going to be a delivery failure, and silver went up to 120. Okay? And then they raised the margin requirements and probably manipulated it and made it come back down. So what's going to happen is it's probably going to go up to 200 or 300. Okay? Now, they could also try to manipulate it more or whatever, but I think their intention is to let silver go up, and then the insiders are going to make money on the way up, and then they're going to short it and make money on the way down too. So, and the insiders are going to know when the recession is coming. So these guys know when to take their short positions. All right. But I think that they're long right now. I think that the play right now is to be long silver, long gold, and long platinum, and long oil, and long crypto. So basically all we have to do is just buy and then just sit on it, and we're going to get rich. It's so easy to go long. It's the best thing in the world. You just freaking buy your stock and then you just sit on it, and you don't even have to think about it. Love to go long on gold. It's virtually a guarantee. We virtually got a lock on gold and silver. We got a lock on this, guys. We're going to be rich. All right? We're going to be rich, guys. How long? 5 years? Maybe by summer. Hopefully by summer. So, a few months. So, we will see many opportunities to sell silver and take profit along the way. We saw one opportunity to sell silver when it hit 120. We're probably going to get another opportunity to sell silver over the summer. It might hit $180 this summer. I think that might be an opportunity to sell a little bit. Because after we hit 180 or 200, I think we're going to come down again. All right? This is how it moves. It goes up and then pulls back. Up, pulls back. All right? So, definitely looking good on silver. Yeah, they can crash it. They can try to crash silver by manipulating it. But the real demand is so high, they can't keep it down. That's the thing. They can't keep silver down. I think they've been trying to hold it back more. Every time they crash it, it bounces back. So that's a very bullish sign, I guess you would say. We're definitely in a bull market. This is a full-blown gold bull market. This is what it's like. Pretty crazy, huh? $5,000 gold. I told you this was going to happen. Most people that I told did not believe me. I told people gold was going to go straight up. They did not believe me at all. Why? None of my business. I don't know why. Who cares why? All that matters is that you buy silver. Are you going to be good? You know? Those people before, they didn't believe me. Who cares? They can stay poor, you know? You got to take the chance. You got to take the risk. All right? Store water in your copper jug. Oh, yeah. I want to buy a copper cup, too. Because I heard it helps with, like, the natural vibrations within your body if you wear copper or you drink out of a copper cup. I've been researching that shit, but I don't really have that much time to research it. I just do in my spare time. Good luck, kid. Thank you, bro. We gonna get another super chat tonight or what? Let's go, guys. Let's get another super chat. Someone other than William Capone. This guy's giving me his whole life savings already. No, I'm just kidding. This guy's probably got a ton of money. But somebody new, okay? Let's get some cash money from someone else. What's your age? I don't give out my age unless you leave a super chat. Sardines, yeah. Protein. You got to get enough protein. Otherwise, you're not going to build the muscle. I'll flex for 20 bucks, yes. Give me 20 bucks and I'll flex. Costco free-range chicken wings. That sounds tasty right now, bro. Buy Pepe coin. $5. Let's get $5, guys. Let's go. I've been eating a lot more. I've been eating more protein more consistently for muscle building purposes. Got to make sure I'm drinking enough water today. What do you call a Mexican who something? A Mexican who don't like protein. No way, Jose. Whey protein? Wow. That's a funny one, dude. There was nothing in that bottle. There's water in there. Shit, that was loud. Some kind of a message. None of my business. It's my phone, but it's none of my business. Come on, guys. Got to get some good questions going. He says, very great analysis. Thanks for watching. There we go, guys. Getting jacked. Don't forget to like and subscribe, MFers. All right, guys. I got to go, guys. All right. Have a good one.